The last time we met here, many persons from the government have been saying, including bureaucrats, that we're all partners in progress. Let it be industry, let it be service industry, whatever it is. So partners normally meet, and we are meeting. We have been meeting our Honorable Minister on a quarterly basis to review the progress because we are partners in progress. I think he is keeping that word. That is good one. Any business has to run on certain principles. It will do a little bit of planning, it will do a little bit of premising, and little bit of, not little bit, more of performance, and then propagation. I think today, whether we call it celebration or propagation or whatever you call it, we are meeting here. Any performer has to be rewarded. We have amidst us the best performer of the country, maybe the best performer of the country in terms of his promises, in terms of his delivery. We are very lucky that we are able to sit with him, talk to him, and interact with him on a quarterly basis, other than accidentally meeting him in some place or other. Sir, premising is a very tricky word. In any execution of a business plan or any enterprise or even execution of the government development plans, we face risks. We can estimate the risks, we can factor the risk, but uncertainties, provisioning is not enough. We have been facing uncertainties in the real estate sector in terms of the demonetization as it is. Nobody factored demonetization as a business risk or uncertainty. Never thought of. RERA, of course, it has been there for more than 10 years. We thought it will come and go, but it stayed with us. So we have issues with RERA. Then we have this IBC. Anybody and everybody can go and file some sort of a suit against you to liquidate your company. This is such a, let me not say it's a funny law as such, but it's a very critical law having a very bad impact on the overall economy. Then GST, nobody knows how many number of notifications they have given, how many circulars they have given, what is applicable for whom, who has to pay what. See, this is an eternal disputed subject, GST. So these uncertainties we are not able to face. But luckily, at the state level, we have a government which is coming up with something or other, just like a benefactor, so which is able to take us out of all these impacts of the uncertainties. So we have so many things our friends have done, what our state government has done. One is that iPass, BPass, Dharani portal, etc., etc. I will take one more minute. I think our developer will help me, sir. Yes? So our business has 3 stages, sir. Pre-development stage, development stage, and post-development or finishing stage. Pre-development stage, we have done wonderfully well, sir. We got the Dharani portal to take care of the issues in the land. We have the TSB pass to care of the NOCs. We are okay with this. Still, there is 1 or 2 demands here. I will give it in the last. Then development stage, sir, there is no control over the cement or steel prices. This is a big problem. Every time it keeps popping up, just like a phoenix, it is coming up time and again. Then taxes, just like GST we have told, that is during the development stage. Shortage of certain inputs also affecting the industry. So this has to be taken care of. Then finishing stage or post-development stage, we have so many issues with the electricity, water and other departments. Luckily, there is no shortage of this, but the prices and all we have to look into that, line laying charges, road cutting charges, all these things. We will come back to you separately, but today we want to facilitate you and promise you, the performer, that we will bring you back. Will you bring you back, and you have to serve us. We are here. See, there is a saying, one of our, I don't want to take the name, one of our developer, his tagline is, you dream, we deliver. Sir, we will dream, you have to deliver. The dream is, Telangana should be the first state in the country to give the title guarantee. Already central government has already circulated, sir. Let us work together. We are already doing good job on that. So let us make Telangana as the first state in the country to give the title guarantee, sir. Then trunk communities, sir, let us dream bigger. See, when we have the plan, let the plan, date of the plan go to the departments like water, electricity, whatever it is there. So let them come to us. Just like people say in Ahmedabad, developers, investors used to go, and the government bureaucrats will go to the hotels and meet them. Here, sir, see, every plan is given 3 years' time, 5 years' time, depending on the quantity of construction, etc. So, let the electricity department, water department shoot letters to us. Your plan is expiring on so-and-so date within 6 months. We are ready. So let them plan the line, trunk line, whatever it is. Then come to us and give us the thing, and let us prepare whoever is there on the line, sir. Then we need some clarity on the state taxes. We have issues like entry tax, etc. I think the MUD department, we want not only the MUD department, it has to take care of the whole real estate sector. As such, we want that, under your leadership, we already have IT export promotion cell. Why not real estate promotion cell? Please bring it, sir. We are happy. We will bring you back. You have to serve us. We will be with you.